Hey, it's Andreas, and let's talk about the new buys that I'm making right now in this stock market. And hopefully, you can get some inspiration on what investments to make on your own. Now, I have long explanations in detail on why I bought each one of these stocks that I will share, but for this one, I will keep it light and short and show you the buys that I made just today, this trading day. So in Swedish here, but it's all buy, no sell. And I thought I would just comment quickly on each single purchase here. Alright, so the first one is Vitrolife. This is a Swedish company and they're part of making the things needed in fertility clinics with the aging population and the complications that comes along with this. It's a great opportunity to make some money on a global megatrend. And in my case, I've noticed that price to sales has slipped substantially now, and with the revenue growth that they've had historically, I think it looks even more attractive now. I made a small purchase before just to cover a position, and now I made a little bit larger purchase, and if it continues to stay down, I will continue to buy more at these levels because this price to value ratio is good enough for me to start loading up on shares. The second one is Tilray. And for this, I have a calculation on what I think the stock price should be in this case. And price to sales is very low, but profitability is really hurting for this company. And they have some dilution problems. So only small purchase here, not adding up largely in any cannabis company right now with the huge risk that's in that market currently. However, price to sales is looking more attractive now. Then we have Oscar Properties. This company was severely punished with the increase in interest rates in Sweden. And I think that this is unjust for the value of the property portfolio that they have. So I made a bit larger of a purchase in them today. Alright, so then we have StoneCo as well, the financial payment processing company in Brazil. They do some loans as well. Very low price to sales in that case as well, and they're just a little bit profitable as well. So that's amazing to see from a growth company. Very high risk from a political standpoint in Brazil right now with a lot of things going on. Maybe this is keeping a lid on stock price, but I also think that this is good value right now. And then we have Porch Group here. I checked in on them again today just to see if there's been any more insider purchases or selling, and basically no insider has sold since 2021, and in that time it was also automatic selling, and we've seen direct buys in the insider register. So this company is believed by management to be severely undervalued, is what this behavior is telling me as an analyst. And that's why I looked more into them to start with. And now I see that price to sales ratio is still just amazing in this case. This is a riskier company, this is a small cap company, but with the recent success we had in the Huang LNG case, I feel very comfortable taking on some more risk, especially now when the market is a bit scared. And then we also have Foot Locker, just buying some more stocks there. I like this company. I think that the market has over exaggerated the risk to the supply side of them not getting more Nike shoes. And I've seen revenue increase year by year by year, and they paid out a little dividend on the old shares that I have. So that's nice. This is a company I feel comfortable adding more shares to. I don't think it will do any amazing outperformance, but in my opinion, I believe it has the potential to slightly outperform the broader market, and that's good enough for me for the risk level that I believe that Foot Locker represents. And then finally, we have the big play here with Bausch Health Companies, the holding company here, where I thoroughly explain the asset play that I see in this company and the extreme value potential I see that could be unlocked with IPOs, with spin-offs. Now, it's a scandalous company back in 2015. Some bad things happened in the accounting department, to say the least. And I think that this bad reputation has punished stock price a lot, and they have settled in 2020. And now with this delayed IPO of the skincare company and the news that they were not gonna spin out the shares that they still have in Bausch + Lomb, this stock price has just been hammered, and it's trading at so low. Like, alright, do this one little thing on your own research when you look into this. They own majority of Bausch + Lomb. Take a look at Bausch + Lomb market cap and compare that with Bausch Health Company's market cap, and let me know if you found anything interesting, because I certainly believe that it's a figure to look closely at, and it's very intriguing, very alluring, a lot of potential. Alright, that's been it for the buys that I made in the market today. As always, hope you make a ton of money whatever investments you decide to make. I will continue to cover these companies and bring up interesting news as they come along. Alright, that's been it for this video. Take care.